I see this particular event, the two sessions, as very distinct in the sense that, it opens possibilities for us to focus our minds on three important challenges as well as opportunities. One is that, through these two sessions, we hope that we would find the missional challenges as a reason for us for our partnership in mission of God. It is not any historical connections or any other reason, but the challenge of submission become the reason for our partnership. Number two is that we are trying to explore avenues or possibilities for partnership beyond resources through the sharing of experiences, sharing of perspectives, sharing of visions for our common affirmation of our faith and hope together in God. And the third one is to reimagine Christian faith vocation and affirmation and vocation in an increasingly polarized world and in a pandemic world.